So the AI engineer has gone ahead and done what we asked of it. And as we scroll through it, you'll see here that it's executed the code, checked feature mappings, setting up document retrievers if needed. Okay, very cool here. So it's gone through that. Then it's gone ahead and trained the LLM model. And if you zoom in here, you can see here that it's gone ahead and looked at the document that we uploaded. And here you go. You can read exactly what it's done, cultural significance, emoji types, their meanings, usage trends, stuff that we are actually really looking for, because that's exactly what we put in our little in the prompt box. We're getting exactly what we're looking for. It says here the response instructions. So maintain a friendly and approachable tone, clear and concise language, etc. Very good stuff. As we go down here, you'll see here that the model has trained successfully here, and we can go ahead now and use it. It's called Emoji Bot Model. Now, you can, of course, go through the code line by line, and if you're highly technical and you have questions, of course, please leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them, and if I don't know the answer, I will talk to the technical team and get you an answer. So keep that in mind. Please leave a comment and let me know here. So here we go. We'll just go through this here, and then this is what we're looking for. It says here, we've created and deployed an emoji chatbot. Perfect. Here's a summary of our achievements.